What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI. It is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets. That's all that this video is. It's not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. It is simply you and I going over the latest market analytics. We're going to touch on Shiba Inu coin's price action, and of course go over this article right here. So first, let's set the stage. Shiba Inu coin and the rest of the market is trying to bounce back today. We're sitting in 53 neutral territory in terms of the fear and greed index, and bouncing over the last hour, bouncing on the week, but down just slightly from where we were this time yesterday. Bitcoin sitting just above 74,000, Ethereum 2,300, and of course Solana right around the $84, $85 mark, while Shiba Inu coin is down here, still in the top 20, or still in the top 30 here, and it is sitting on a 1% weekly loss, 1% daily loss, and over the last hour, it's back up about 1%. If we look at the price action, we can see that this 35-day period is an extremely tight range, with the 50-day exponential moving average proving to be like a brick wall resistance, and of course support in this area around 580 points per coin. Now, 3 reasons it's stuck. It says Shiba Inu coin has clearly been stuck in the same price range for weeks now, and it's pretty clear why. It says, at the moment, Shiba Inu coin is in a state of a textbook stagnation. Following a protracted downtrend, Shiba has been trading sideways between 580 and 600 points per coin, with very tight price action and decreasing volatility. It says all of the major moving averages on the chart indicate compression, and there's no significant breakout attempts. This is a market without direction, not accumulation with strength. These are the 3 main reasons Shiba Inu coin's impasse, along with potential solutions. Narrative behind the meme coin is weak. Hype has always been SHIB's primary motivator. At the moment, the story is most likely missing. Attention is turned to industries like AI, DeFi infrastructure, and tokenized real-world assets as retail participation has decreased. It says the market has very little liquidity. Many altcoins, including Shiba Inu coin, are seeing a decline in volume. This is evident on the chart, which shows low volume, narrow candles, and rapid absorption of any price movement. The price trends are impossible without liquidity, and this is what fixes it. Movement would probably be unlocked by a macro liquidity return, either through the breakout of Bitcoin or more general market inflows. And finally, long-term value proposition is unclear. SHIB has trouble with positioning. In contrast, more recent narratives, it's not completely developed into a powerful utility-driven asset, but it is no longer a pure meme coin. This puts it in an uncomfortable middle ground. So what's the solution? SHIB either demonstrates actual use through its ecosystem, Shibarium, which it will never do, or intensifies its position as a high beta speculative asset, which it absolutely should do. As of right now, it's not very popular in terms of both utility and hype. What's next is anticipating. SHIB is coiling more for inactivity than it is from strength. Some reflection of returning market activity would be indicated by a breakout above 650 to 700 points per coin and the downside below 550 points per coin. Guys, looking at Shiba Inu coin, it is obvious that a lot of people are losing interest. You can see that on the Google Analytics chart here, with Shiba Inu coin having its search volume literally at a level of 1 compared to the level of 100 that it was at 5 years ago. So people are essentially stepping to the sidelines. And I think that's perfectly fine when they're fearful and neutral. But if they stay on the sidelines, when people are greedy and extremely greedy, then we've got a little bit of an issue. You see, meme coins always take the backseat to major altcoins, Bitcoin, bonds, bank accounts, and so on when people are in a fearful situation. There's risk on and risk off situations. We have been risk off for essentially the last 2 straight years. The end of 2024 was the last time we saw a greedy and an extremely greedy situation. Now, knowing that, it will return. You simply have to get there. And I accumulate in anticipation of all of that.